Hello! Today we'll be looking at a switch that was just dropped from Lube switches, the Sangria Linear. If you're interested in picking these up, check the link down below and use code TOFUTYPES to save 5% off your order. These are a linear switch manufactured by Tecsee and have an HPE bottom housing, a 63.5 double stage spring, long pole POM stem, and an HPE top housing. Since these are Tecsee switches and have the leaf integrated into the bottom housing, if you want to use these as Franken switches down the line, make sure your top housing doesn't have the two prongs typically found on like MX style switches. Films are also optional, but I recommend it with this switch. I did pick these up during the pre-order, and I was initially interested in the interaction between the long pole POM stem and the HPE housing. First impression since getting them in hand, they're a pretty smooth switch, but do have a slight bit of scratch to them, which I think gives it a little bit of character. And the double spring doesn't feel overly heavy to use on like a daily basis. Albeit the sound profile isn't something that I particularly enjoy, that doesn't mean that you might not like it. It leans towards the deeper end of the sound spectrum, but does have a very nice bottom out feeling and overall a pretty nice switch to use. I'll play a sound test shortly and you can let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks and have a good one.